Hello dear children, our today's topic is three-letter words of I sound. The phonic sound of I is I. So, we will do three-letter words having sound I. Let us carry out the oral drill of below mentioned three-letter words, starting with ID words. We will use phonic sounds. BID bid, BID bid, KID kid, KID kid, LID lid, LID lid, RID rid, RID rid, SID sid, SID sid. Now IG words. BIG big, BIG big, DIG dig, DIG dig, FIG fig, FIG fig, RIG rig, RIG rig, WIG wig, WIG wig. Now IN words. BIN bin, BIN bin, PIN pin, PIN pin, FIN fin, FIN fin, SIN sin, SIN sin, TIN tin, TIN tin. Now IP words. DIP dip, DIP dip, HIP hip, HIP hip, LIP lip, LIP lip, SIP sip, SIP sip, TIP tip, TIP tip. Now IT words. BIT bit, BIT bit, PIT pit, PIT pit, HIT hit, HIT hit, FIT fit, FIT fit, SIT sit, SIT sit. Now IX words. FIX fix, FIX fix, MIX mix, MIX mix, PIX pix, PIX pix, SIX six, SIX six. These are the three-letter words having I sound. BIN bin, FIN fin, PIN pin, TIN tin. Thank you. Have a great day.